क्या हो रहा है? I don't have any filter. I don't have any cloth. No filtration system. Wow, magic. Magic, right? पूरा ब्राउन क्या हो गया? Anything to learn from this?
That is what chanting does. That is what chanting does to our heart and mind.
Chanting is one level. Right now we are talking of cleanliness as, does it come under character or competence? Competence, right? As we said, competence means certain skills which we need to do to be successful. People pay thousands of rupees, thousands of dollars to do what? Personality development courses. You know how much personality development courses can cost? Any idea? I met somebody in the US and she said, I am doing a personality development course. I said, what is the duration of the course? She said, 15 days. And I said, what is the cost? $1,500. How much is the in rupees? $1,500. Maths experts. Personality development course. Whatever. 1 lakh rupees you are going to pay for that. So what makes a person's personality? What makes a person's personality? When you meet somebody, you feel attracted ना, अरे यार इसके साथ रहने को बहुत मन होता है. हाँ, इसके तो I don't know what, but I don't feel like being with her. What is it about the person? The way the person carries themselves, the personality of a person, right? बोले यार इसका पर्सनालिटी ना बहुत अट्रैक्टिव है, हाँ, और इसका पर्सनालिटी बहुत रिपल्सिव है, इसका अट्रैक्टिव, इसका रिपल्सिव. So personality is not one thing. There are many components that form somebody's personality, isn't it? So when we are talking of cleanliness, we are talking of a trait, of a competence, of a skill. So there was this one highly MBA educated girl, और उसको she used to keep everything house quite unclean. उसको mother and so many people would tell कि अरे ऐसे नहीं रहते हैं, you know, just look at yourself, you are so unkept. हाँ, उसको नहाने को बहुत ही कंटाला आता था, एक बार भी दिन में नहाने को. Some people take bath 2-3 times in a day. उसको एक बार भी नहाने को कंटाला आता था. Why? Because she was all the time what? Studying. She would think bathing is a waste of time. तो टाइम जा रहा है ना उसमें, I want to study. घर क्लियर करने में टाइम जा रहा है ना, I want to study, right? All the time she would do that. So somebody told her कि अरे शादी के बाद इतना स्टडी करने का, if you don't keep your surroundings clean, how will you be able to, develop yourself? So she said, but what do I need to develop? I will earn so much that I can employ 10 servants who will keep things clean. वो लड़की की शादी हुई, and she got married into quite a wealthy family. But boy and girl, as you know, nowadays people stay in nuclear family. लड़का और लड़की साथ में रहते थे. लड़का और लड़की थे, 4 सर्वेंट्स थे. एंड 4 सर्वेंट्स में एक कुक थी, एक क्लीनिंग करती थी, एक झाड़ू पोछा करती, मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारा. और कभी भी उनके घर पे जाओ ना तो सर्वेंट्स बैठे रहते थे. तो इसको बोलते थे कि अरे द हाउस नीड्स टू बी क्लीन. हाँ, बोले उनको बोला है ना क्या करना है. सो हर मदर केम एंड शी टोल्ड हर सेइंग, लिसन, यू माइट हैव 4 सर्वेंट्स, पर सर्वेंट से क्या काम कराना वो भी तो समझना चाहिए ना. इन गुजराती वी कॉल दैट वर्ड सूझ. सूझ मतलब वो समझ होनी चाहिए ना. सर्वेंट है लेकिन सर्वेंट से काम क्या कराना वो तो समझना चाहिए ना अपने को. वो भी नहीं समझता है. When I was a kid, when I would want to have to go from one place to other, always go with my parents and I would think कि मैं बड़ी होकर समझ पाऊंगी क्या कि रास्ते का रूट क्या है. I will always get lost. I would always feel I would get lost. और मुझे घर चलाना आएगा क्या, क्योंकि घर में क्या क्या करना होता है वो भी तो मालूम होना पड़ता है ना. You have to know what all needs to be done. Like this story which they did, the daughters were there, 2 daughters, it's not that they were sons, they had daughters, and they didn't know what all needs to be done in the house to keep the house clean. According to them, it is ठीक है ना, मतलब साल में एक बार दिवाली क्लीनिंग होता है, करते हैं ना, वन डे दिवाली सब 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 करके 364 days नो टच भी नहीं करने का. तो why would you need proper दिवाली क्लीनिंग if रोज का हाथ घुमाते जाओगे तो, right? Do you need to clean your cupboard once in a year also if you are regularly keeping your cupboard clean? Do you need to clean your kitchen? So cleanliness is what? It's a habit. What is a habit? What's a habit?
Something you keep repeating regularly.
Unconsciously, when you do something repetitively, it becomes a habit. Unconscious. First there is conscious competence and then it turns into unconscious competence. Suppose you are asked that chant your rounds, where the 4 dustbin पड़े ना उधर उसके बाजू में बैठ के जपा करो ना. How do you feel like doing chanting there? Crows are coming, taking bees, मच्छर है, मक्खी है उधर. आप उधर जपा कर सकते हो क्या? Right? To chant, what type of environment you need? सफेद कपड़ा, not always सफेद, clean cloth. You are sitting on the altar which is cleaned. ऐसे नहीं कि इधर से इधर जाले सब लटक रहे जाले, and you are sitting and chanting. अरे वो स्पाइडर अपना काम कर रहा है, उसकी ड्यूटी में क्यों इंटरफियर करने का? Can you do that? Right? When you go into any place which has got lot of kachra, and if you want to throw some kachra, what will happen to you? You will not even think twice कि इतने कचरे में मेरा और एक कचरा क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But if you see a clean place और उधर एक मैचस्टिक भी डालना हो तो 1000 बार सोचोगे ना कि अरे नहीं नहीं यार काफी क्लीन है, इसको मैं कैसे गंदा कर सकूं. लेकिन गंदी चीज को गंदा करने में any thought or any hesitation. So dear girls, we have to understand this, that cleanliness is a very very important quality which reflects your state of mind. One who is clean within will automatically come out and keep the surroundings also clean. So as Mataji said, first we have to understand that first internal cleanliness आता है कि first external cleanliness आता है. कितने लोग internal external
पहले चिकन आती है पहले एग आता है.
वही they are both interconnected. If your mind is not clean, your surrounding will not be clean. If your surrounding is not clean, your mind will not be able to be clean, right? So we have to understand that why cleanliness is the first step, because cleanliness is next to and we are all trying to be what? We are trying to be godly, no? How many trying to be godly here? Many try to become God, but we don't want to become God, we want to become godly first, right? So we must understand that this is a very important quality. Don't consider it as a secondary thing. Doesn't mean that if I am highly educated, I am a doctor, I am a CA, I am doing my CA. So this is all क्या किसके लिए है? 12th पास लोगों के लिए या फेल वाले लोगों के लिए. वो सब क्लीनलीनेस पे ध्यान देते हैं यार. हम लोग क्या और हायर लेवल के लोग हैं, हम लोग पढ़ाई करते हैं, पैसा कमाते हैं, हम लोग ये सब करते हैं, ये सब. But don't forget that along with all your education, which is a must, that you must be very qualified, this is a necessary qualification, because people will judge your personality from this quality also. जब कोई हमारे घर पे आता है तो एक impression बनता है ना, एक vibration आता है आपके घर से, right? You go to anybody's house. एक बार राधानाथ स्वामी had gone to, when Maharaj goes to anybody's house और guests आते हैं तो घर कैसा होता है? कैसा होता है? चकाचक रहता है. लेकिन महाराज की आदत है, महाराज ने क्या किया? गए सीधे गए बेडरूम में और कबर्ड खोला हुआ है, धार धूम. क्योंकि घर साफ करने के लिए क्या किया था? ये दे डालो, उधर डालो, सब छुपा दिया अंडर द कारपेट, above the seat. Even when Maharaj comes to the hospital, Bhaktivedanta hospital, everything will be clean, but Maharaj will go to the washroom and not the managers and executives washroom. He will go to the common patient's washroom and see and judge the consciousness of the hospital by that. कि toilet कैसे रखा है, which is the least important thing according to people. If that is clean, then automatically other things must be clean. Just imagine, that is the criteria. So for us, on the level of hygiene, there are levels of cleanliness. First is hygiene. Naturally, if healthy body, healthy mind, that's a natural consequence, isn't it? But if our body is only unhealthy, if our hair is not properly washed, or you don't take proper bath, you don't wear clean clothes, wash clean clothes, then what happens? It becomes a mindset कि सब कुछ क्या चलता है. ये क्या है? चलता है यार. वो क्या? अरे छोड़ो यार, चलता है. लेकिन स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ में चलता है नहीं चलता है. Don't get into that thing. You want people to have a good impression about you, right? Everybody wants to impress people. Impressive लगना है, सबको impressive लगना है. But understand what is real impressiveness. You just try to keep your surrounding clean, yourself clean, and everything starts from the mind, as she said. Clean thoughts lead to clean words. Clean words lead to clean actions. Clean action leads to clean habits. Clean habits lead to clean character. And clean character leads to clean culture. Clean culture. And today we are kilometers away from clean culture. Why? झूठ बोलना तो हमारे मुंह के किधर गए? मम्मी लेट हो गया. क्यों? मेरी फ्रेंड के यहाँ गई थी. कुछ भी एट द ड्रॉप ऑफ अ हैट कुछ भी झूठ निकलता है अपने मुंह से, राइट? इज टेलिंग लाइज अ क्लीन हैबिट और अ अनक्लीन हैबिट? Doing any other examples of unclean habits which we may have? Like this, like telling lies. Duplicity. What else?
Cheating in exams.
Procrastination, cheating people, cheating in exams, right? How much we do this without thinking? Because what we feel, we are devotees, yaar. We are trying for pure devotional service. ये सब तो morality है. This is all morality. बिना ट्रेन टिकट के ट्रेन में गए, किसी को बोले अरे हम डिवोटी है, डिवोटी पैसा मंदिर के लिए यूज करते, टिकट विकेट में नहीं देते. किसी बोलेगा हाँ बाबा हाँ जाओ. बोलेगा ऐसा? नहीं बोलेगा. Why? So many times we people break morality under the name of pure devotional service. Do we do that? Thinking that we are above all this. We are much above all this. We don't need to follow these things. But my dear girls, please understand that to have a clean culture around us, we have to be morally perfect also. Doesn't mean devotee means it gives you a license to be immoral. It's a very unclean habit to be immoral in whatever you're doing. छोटा मोटा इधर चोरी कर लिया, कुछ सेवा दिया, कुछ गफला कर दिया, कुछ भी. I mean, I don't want to get into it, Sometimes people will pilfer with money and anything they will do. Please understand that morality is the first step, because morality brings to Sattva-gun, right? By becoming devotee, which gun are you trying to develop? Shuddha Sattva, even beyond Sattva-gun. But can you go to Shuddha Sattva before at least being in Sattva-gun? We can't. So please understand that cleanliness at all levels has to be practiced by devotee. External cleanliness is one thing. This is all cleanliness of thought. Having clean thoughts. Don't talk of cheating people. Bhaktisiddhanta Maharaj said this world is of cheaters and cheated. Everybody is trying to cheat people. काम वाली बाई भी काम चोर गिरी. झाड़ू मारने को बोलेंगे इधर का कचरा उठा के उधर, चलो उतना तो करती है, इधर का उठा के उधर. पर ऐसे नहीं कि इधर से पूरा साफ करके लेके गए, राइट? Any seva we are trying to do, we just try to take shortcuts. उधर कौन देखने वाला है? 2 फूल पीछे की साइड भगवान के नहीं लगाए, कौन देखने वाला है? अरे भगवान देखने वाले हैं, राइट? कौन देखेगा? भगवान देखेंगे. So like that we must understand that, let us understand the deeper concepts of cleanliness first. I have to have clean thoughts. Clean thought means I don't think ill about other people. Okay? Sometimes you feel इसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया ना, अच्छा हुआ ऐसा हो गया उसके साथ. अपने माइंड में ऐसा आता है ना कभी. All of us think like that. Why to project a different picture? But a devotee doesn't think bad about anybody. They are so clean in their thought that they will not wish bad, think bad about anybody. भला हो, सबका भला होने दो, सबका अच्छा होने दो, right? So even we have to have clean thoughts. No tit for tat thoughts. Tit for tat is clean or unclean thought? Unclean thought. We don't want to do that. उसने ऐसा किया तो मैं भी ऐसा करूँ. वो किया. No. No lying. Try to correct yourself when that urge comes. Lying is an urge. वो you know that story of that boy ना, वो पहले छोटा मोटा चोरी करता था, झूठ बोलता था. फिर एक दिन पुलिस ने पकड़ के बहुत साल के बाद उसको जेल में डाल दिया. And then he was announced the फांसी की सजा, because it was a big crime that he did. He spoke big time lies and cheated many people. So he was asked before फांसी, what do you ask? आखिरी इच्छा है कोई? तो he said, yeah, call my mother. So the mother came to the jail to meet him, and then the boy told के मम्मी I want to tell you something, come close. तो मम्मी पास में आई तो उसने क्या किया? कान काट दिया मम्मी का. तो मम्मी तो चिल्लाई ना, वो क्या किया? So he told his mother that if when as a child I was doing छोटा मोटा lying, छोटा मोटा चोरी, if you would have corrected me at that time, today I would not have landed in this situation कि मुझे फांसी हो रही है. Today I would not be in this situation कि मुझे फांसी हो रही है, right? So same way we have to learn these qualities when we are young. Otherwise, as this is all your growth spurt is going on, you are in the growing years, right? You are first kid. Kid is bothered about cleanliness. स्कूल से आएगा तो मम्मी एक जूता इधर एक जूता उधर. बड़े होने के बाद भी कॉलेज से दुपट्टा इधर फेंका, बैग किया, मम्मी भूख लगा है दे दो, प्लेट उधर ही छोड़ के चले गए. Small things which we don't do our own work also. What to talk of doing other people's work? पूरे परिवार का तो छोड़ो, हम खुद का काम नहीं करते हैं, गंदगी में ऐड करते हैं. Instead of being a part of the solution, we become what? Part of the problem, right? और जब छोटे छोटे में हम नहीं सुनते हैं ना, बाद में क्या होता है ना, ऐसा डिफिकल्टी आता है. कभी कभी रोना आता है, जो मेरे साथ हुआ था. When I was small, my mother used to keep telling me, अरे सीख शादी हो जाएगी, कुछ आएगा नहीं. अरे ऐसे होगी तभी देखा जाएगा, अभी से क्या शादी कर रहे हो. उड़ा देते थे. Somehow by some arrangement my marriage was fixed up early. I was only 20 years old. I was still studying. मतलब 18 में हो गया फिक्स है, 20 में शादी हुआ. And after I got married and I was staying in my own house, मुझे इतना एक्चुअली रोना आता था. क्यों? न खाना बनाना आता था, मुझे मेरा ही खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. भूख लगे तो कैन यू इमेजिन हाउ टॉलरेंट गॉड दिस शो मस्ट हैव बीन. मेरे प्रभु जी, राइट? आई वाज अ जादूगर. आई कुड मेक साइमल्टेनियसली कच्चा एंड जला हुआ चपाती. वही चपाती को जला भी सकती थी और कच्चा भी रख सकती. ऐसा जादूगर है. तू सीखा ही नहीं था कुछ, आता ही नहीं था कुछ. यू कीप इग्नोरिंग, यू नो. मदर तो बोलती रहे, वो तो आदत है. डेफ ईयर जैसे बोला, इधर से सुनते इधर से. घर साफ नहीं रखती थी. गंदा घर मुझे भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था, लेकिन मुझे साफ करने को भी नहीं आता था कि कहाँ से शुरू करें. व्हेन बहुत गंदा होता है ना, तो यू डोंट नो वेयर टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम विच कॉर्नर. ये लेकिन जब रेगुलरली हम करते रहते हैं तो कितना इजी भी हो जाता है, क्योंकि इतना सारा जमा नहीं हो जाता है करने के लिए, राइट? सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड डियर गर्ल्स द importance of cleanliness at all levels? Physical level, mental level. Your actions become clean, you become pure. Cleanliness is equal to what? Purity. You become so pure that you become very attractive to people. कि यार ये बहुत प्योर पर्सनालिटी है. Whether you are a brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha, sannyasi, whoever you are, She was giving example of Radharan Swami. He always taught us, you leave the room in which you are staying cleaner than when you entered the room. You entered a room, everything was arranged. When you leave in the evening, white चादर नीचे, लाल चादर ऊपर आ जाएगा. But then ये मेरा घर थोड़ी है, मुझे क्या देखना है? करेंगे कौन? है ना माता जी, कर लेंगे वो लोग, कल के लिए पूरा साफ हो जाएगा. नहीं. But if you think it is my responsibility, it's my program, it's my temple, it's my house. टेम्पल में पंखा चल रहा है तो चल रहा है, चलने दो, मेरा बिल थोड़ी बढ़ रहा है. हाँ, टेम्पल गंदा है तो मुझे क्या देखना है? लेकिन वी हैव सीन समटाइम्स सम प्योर डिवोटीज किसी और ने डाला हुआ कचरा भी उठा के डाल देते हैं. खुद तो डालना छोड़ो, किसी और का डाला हुआ, इवन इफ दे आर सन्यासीज, दे विल डू दैट. दैट मीन्स व्हाट डज दैट मीन? It's cleanliness is a culture, as you say. It's a culture, you know. झूठ बोलना तो sometimes to save your skin, we all try to say ना कि अरे इतना छोटा सा झूठ बोला तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, नो? किसी को मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. एक बार बोल दिया, सॉरी हम भगवान माफ कर देना, बोल दिया. लेकिन एक बार बोल दिया ना तो दूसरी बार बोलने में झिझक नहीं होती है. लास्ट टाइम बोल दिया था, क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ ना. सेकेंड टाइम बोल देंगे, थर्ड टाइम बोल देंगे. Habit forming. So just like to conclude with this thing, that how do you clean this dirty mindset as we did to the glass of dirt? Add pure input. So that is the advantage of Krishna consciousness. You are putting in positive input. So that these dirty habits will automatically wash away. Right? So to the extent we will be able to practice Krishna consciousness in a serious way, you will automatically become clean. You don't have to try to remove the dirt. You are putting in pure things. So what does that make us do? That we pray to Krishna, we become better devotees, then this quality of cleanliness will automatically come in us. Is that clear? And as she said that it will be of great help to you in the future. Because the fact of the matter is we are all going to get married, we will all have our own house. And the way you will keep, like Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, when he comes home, गृहते गोलोक भाई. तो अगर गृह को गोलोक वृंदावन दिखाना है तो गोलोक वृंदावन में कचरे के डब्बे ये सब रहता है क्या? रहता है? कभी नहीं रहता है. सो सूझ के लिए एक I'll just end with the story that his husband comes home one day, and the newly married people, and they come home, and he sees that the gate is open, main gate to their apartment is open. अंदर है कि गेट खुला है, देखा तो मेन डोर भी खुला है. He came in तो he saw that the सोफा के ऊपर के जो भी कुशन थे वो नीचे पड़े हैं. Magazines are all strewn on the floor, carpet रोल किया हुआ पड़ा है. He is wondering what happened, you know. ढूंढते ढूंढते वो अंदर गया, बच्चों के रूम में गया तो बच्चों के सब खिलौने बिखरे हुए पड़े हैं, टूटे हुए. लॉलीपॉप का रैपर पड़ा है, केक खाई हुई आधी पड़ी है प्लेट के ऊपर, चिप्स गिरे हुए हैं. हाँ, सब ऐसे वो बच्चे की चड्डी इधर लटक रही है, फला ढिकना सब पड़ा है इधर. और फिर वो किचन में गए तो किचन में क्या देखा? ओवरफ्लोइंग सिंक, बर्तन पड़े हैं, द पील्स ऑफ गाजर, जो भी ककड़ी के सब पील्स डस्टबिन के बाहर गिरे हुए हैं. नाइफ पीलर के अंदर आधा पील, अंदर आधा पील वो साइड से बाहर आ रहा है, ऐसा पड़ा है. सीड्स पड़े हैं, प्लेट ऐसे ही पड़ी है. हाँ, दूध जो ओवरफ्लो हुआ था गैस के ऊपर ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ है, सूख भी गया. राइट? जो बर्तन में कुकिंग किया था वो सब बर्तन सूख गए. एंड द टैप इज टप 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 लीक हो रहा है, पानी बाहर ओवरफ्लो होके आ रहा है. ये सब किचन में देखा कि दाल चावल के डब्बे के ढक्कन भी खुले पड़े हुए हैं. फिर इवेंट अब पहली सौ ऊपर जाते जाते कि पानी ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है. उन्होंने देखा बाथरूम में से, बाथरूम का टैप खुला था, नहाने का टॉवेल जमीन पे पड़ा था, सोप जमीन पे पड़ा था, गिरते गिरते बच गए. शैम्पू का बॉटल खोला था, उसका ढक्कन नीचे था. तेल का बॉटल गिरा था, वो ऐसा आधा नीचे गिरा हुआ. हाँ, ब्रश एक साइड पड़ा था, वूल एक साइड पड़ा है. एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक दिस. बकेट का मग नीचे गिरा हुआ है. सब देख के ही went in the bedroom and he saw that his wife was on the bed. पड़ रही थी पलंग के ऊपर. तो उसने बोला अरे क्या हुआ? तो वो बोल रही है क्या हुआ? अरे बोले घर में क्या हुआ? लेकिन कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो बोले घर को क्या हालत किया? तो क्यों क्या है? सब तो ठीक है. According to her, this was ठीक. Now all these things are small things which you may feel like laughing at. But does this all need attention? ये अपने आप ढक्कन उड़ के टुक उसके ऊपर बंद होने वाला है. टॉवेल नहाने के बाद जमीन पे पड़ा हुआ अपने आप ऊपर जाने वाला है. हाँ, पीलर के कचरे का डस्टबिन कौन खाली करने वाला है? बच्चे के खिलौने कपड़े धोए हुए सुखाए हुए कौन करने वाला है? ये सब कौन करना पड़ता है? किसको करना पड़ता है? We should be aware of it कि these are so many spheres in which we need to. इस्त्री कपड़े धोए सुखाए तो फोल्ड कौन करेगा? फोल्ड करके इस्त्री में कौन देगा? इस्त्री वाला कपड़ा देके गया तो कबर्ड में कौन रखेगा? Some I have seen, trust me, you know, very ऐसे टिप टॉप लगने वाले लोग जब उनके घर पे जाते हैं ना तो उनके कबर्ड में कपड़े ऐसे ही रोल करके डाले होते हैं. जिस दिन जो साड़ी पहनना है ना उसके अगले दिन देके इस्त्री करने के लिए देंगे. ऐसा ही रोल किया हुआ पड़ा होता है उधर. मतलब लगेगा नहीं कि कपड़े का, लगेगा ड्रेस वाले के यहाँ गए. तो ड्रामा के ड्रेस वाले के यहाँ जाते हैं ना सब ऐसा पड़ा होता है. ये दे धनाधन सब गिरता है ऊपर से नीचे. सो दिस इज नॉट द टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स विच वी वुड लाइक टू बी नोन फॉर. वी लाइक टू बी अरे ये पर्सन ना परफेक्ट सब ठीक होता है, अच्छा होता है. हाँ, दैट पीपल विल जज आवर पर्सनैलिटी. लोग मुंह पे बोलेंगे नहीं अपने, लेकिन दे विल जज योर पर्सनैलिटी. इफ समबडी कम्स टू योर हाउस वंस एंड एज अ लुक ना, उसके ऊपर से आपकी कीमत होगी. पीपल विल जज यू बाय दैट के ओ यू नो. एक्सटर्नली तो बाहर निकल के तो हम सब अप टू डेट ही रहते हैं ना. नोबडी विल बी एबल टू जज हाउ यू आर बिकॉज व्हेन यू कम आउट यू आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी प्रेजेंटेबल. बट बैक स्टेज क्या हो रहा है दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो डू यू गेट द पॉइंट? एक्सटर्नल क्लीनलीनेस, इंटरनल क्लीनलीनेस, all the levels we need to focus on to have a better personality. So it's a competence and a skill which we, as Sita said very rightly, we may not have. Not that we all are born with that, but a skill is something which you can develop. That's why, yeah.
So are you ready? You want to start? So I heard one very prominent CEO of a company give this talk, and he is a very successful person, and he was giving tips of how we can reach success. And he said that my life changed and I started rising up once I started one very small thing. And guess what he said? He said, I started doing that. You all want to improve, then we have to take baby steps, right? You know what is a baby step? First step. You have to take somewhere, right? And he was suggesting the first step that I did was that as soon as I wake up in the morning, you all wake up, right? What do we do first? What are we supposed to do first? No, first chant Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vaishnava. Offer our gratitude to Guru. This is because we are devotees. This is the first thing. We have to offer our life, our body to Krishna. That is the first step. And then what he said, he was not a devotee, so he doesn't have to do that. Fold, make his bed. Make the bed exactly how it needs to be. Neat and clean. The bed sheet stretched. Put inside the cover. What you are simply you fold and put. Not that even if you have 4 servants in the house, you know that somebody will come in the morning and fold the bed and make the bed still. He said, just because I started doing it, my life started changing. Just because he started doing this. And he said, people don't understand the importance of making your own bed, but that is the first step of cleanliness. So all of you promise to do that? Huh? Abhi you all must be getting it up and
How many
jumping
of
from
you
the
are-
bed and going straight to the bathroom and your mom.
How many
How
do it?
How many people fold their bed sheet, make the bed?
Good
Very
girl.
good. Very good girls. Very good. See, majority everyone was saying. So this is a very, very good habit. As she said, cleanliness is a habit which we can start one step at a time. Thank you so much. Next topic.
Any one or two questions, if anybody has after every topic, you can ask, or a comment or some experience which you might be going through. Our special guests. Anybody wants to add anything? And in the meantime, please write this quality of cleanliness on one of the leaves. Where is your sheet? Keep the sheets with you only. You all would like to, anybody of you would like to add anything? Please. Our next quality will be integrity. Be ready.
Hare Krishna, and I'll just share this. I'm supposed to leave, getting late. Yeah. So I'll just share one story that Mataji's have excellently, amazingly told. I'm sure you know what Mataji has told. It's a Sankhya of cleanliness. The whole bottle, you know, that being open, you know, the details. It's going to haunt us once we go home. It was a very wonderful presentation on cleanliness. So I'll just share one thing because Mataji has covered about the character and competence part. I will touch something upon devotion. I'll just share a short story. This is about cleanliness. So once there was a disciple, and this disciple was very, very fond of knowing the very eloquent and sophisticated concepts of bhakti. How many of us like darshan of Radha Madan Mohan? Okay, everybody. How many of us love to hear the pastimes of Krishna, Srimati Radharani and Radhashtaman? Yes, I remember my college time in Radha Madan Mohan temple was, you know, I used to just come to hear the lectures. So there is this disciple who's very enthusiastic to learn this, you know, topics. But he used to approach his guru and ask him, Guruji, please, you know, there are these exalted topics. I'm very eager to know. Please tell me. So, but this guru used to say, no, you're still not qualified. Your mind is still not clean. I cannot reveal to you right now. Despite the guru telling that, the disciple went back to his guru again and again, time and again. He said, Guruji, please, I'm bored of this regular stuff. I want to know something more and something else. But the guru used to be patient. But, you know, he kept on coaxing. So one fine day, the guru said, okay, now that you're asking me so many times, I will come to your home for lunch and there I will discuss with you. And this disciple was excited. Wow, this is amazing. So we went home and he started cleaning as usual. So he cleaned everything and he made a wonderful, amazing arrangement for a, you know, big lunch. It was very, very elaborate. So the guru has come, and one of the favorite dishes of the guru is sweet rice. So he made amazing sweet rice with the best of ingredients, best of milk, best of sugar, best of rice, the best of vessels. So he made everything perfect. So the guru finally came, and you know, he received him well, gave him his place, made him sit. So he was ready with his, you know, the barrage of all the wonderful preparations he has made. So he made the guru sit comfortably, and the first thing he brought was, you know, big pot of sweet rice, which he was so eager to serve. So he brought the sweet rice, and he was bringing his plate. Guruji sat and he said, I'm very happy you made so many things for me, but I have one condition. I have my own plate. So, okay, fine, your own plate. The guru, you know, from his potli, from his bag, he removed a mud plate. And that was so dirty. And he kept it there. The disciple felt so disappointed. He's made so many varieties and the best of ingredients, but the plate was so unclean. And he was feeling hesitant to tell his guru, but somehow he said, Guruji, this is not so good. It has to be cleaned. Can I clean it? So then the guru stopped the disciple. He said, do you feel like serving it in this plate? He said, no. So is it. I have the best of things to give you. Best of philosophies to share with you. Yeah. Best of everything to give you. But your mind, just like this plate, is not clean. And I cannot share with you what you want to know. Unless your receptacle, which is this plate, is clean. Then the disciple thoroughly understood what was his folly and what was the things first he needs to work on. So that's a quality of Atma Shaucham. Atma Shaucham is cleanliness of the mind. So this is the quality which, in Bhagavatam 3rd canto, Devahuti, possesses this quality, Vishrambena Atma Sauchena. The quality that pleases Kargamunu. Yeah. And in return she receives a lot. Okay, that's another story. But this is the importance of cleanliness of the mind, which makes a person qualified to receive that sweet rice, what Sadhu was able to say. Sweet rice is that Krishna consciousness, which is nectarian, which is sweet, which is delicious, which is amrit. But are we ready to take it? Is our mind clean enough to absorb it? Is our receptacle prepared? I hope this will help you in your contemplation. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Anybody else wants to make any comment? Any of the girls? Any questions, any comments? So we'll move to the next quality. And as Mataji said rightly, why do you think we took cleanliness first? Because it is one of the foundational things for devotional life to build upon. Right? Clean mind, then only you will be able to receive whatever is being given in a good way. So thank you very much. Give a big hand to the group who performed on cleanliness. Can the integrity group come ahead? We'll first do the drama and then you'll make the presentation.